So we're going to walk the length of the ship. Too much time on my hands. I'm in the sun. Let's go past the past all the rooms, past the lifeboats. Not sure why it's so smoky. It's a bit smoky. I won't tell the captain that, but we leave a big trail of smoke everywhere we go. See it? Isn't very good. Maybe because it's new. I'm sure somebody will tell me on my YouTube video. I think these are like jackets that get fired out into the water should the worst happen. Obviously past the lifeboats. We're on the side of the ship that hasn't got the magic carpet. So I can't see many suites on this side of the ship. I know a lot of them are on the magic carpet side. The magic carpet actually goes over the windows of the sky suites. Something to think about when you're booking. You have that moving up and down, but it doesn't move very often. So as you can see, loads of these rooms are sheltered from the sun. If you're booking them, you might not get sun on your balcony. Nice outdoor seating area. I think that could be the cafe where you get your coffee. Everyone thinks I'm nice. More lifeboats. That's a little rescue. I think that's a little rescue vessel. Just trying to keep my trousers up, it's falling down. Right, again, obstructed view rooms. See this little kink on the edge? They're obstructed. My arm's aching. On a positive, the lifeboats are massive, and when they use them as tenders, they're really plush. Padded seats, televisions. There's the captain's barbecue. Well, it's not a real barbecue, but I think they call it, gosh, it's windy. I think they call it the barbecue. You've probably left me by now because you're probably bored with the video, but porthole, balcony, obstructed porthole view. Obstructed, look, that's the window cleaning kit. That obstructs you when it's parked. That's a bigger obstruction than the ones that are just at the foot. Love the ship. Look at that shape at the front. Quite different to other ships. So it's quite different. It doesn't curve that way. It curves that way. And I'm sure there's a reason for that. And if I get to ask the captain, I'll ask the question. Past the end of the ship. Can't go much further. There we go. That's a full walk of the length of the outside of the ship. How impressive is that? And it's not even got many scratches on it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Lots of other videos that lots of you will think are pointless, but hopefully a few of them might help some of you cruising people.